Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. See, we have done here the standard formula integration of sine ax. The previous class I explained the examples based on integration of sine 6x. Sine 6x dx. See, if the angle is multiplied by some constant, that constant we are taking the denominator and we are doing the integration. That is sin 6x is minus cos 6x plus c. Okay. Similarly here, integration of sin ax is there. That angle x is multiplied some constant. That constant we are taking in the denominator 1 by a and do the integration of sin ax, that is minus cos ax plus c. Please remember the formula. If the angle is multiplied by some constant, that constant always we are taking in the denominator. Okay. Now I will give one by one formula. Please thorough that formulas. Okay. Second one, integration of cos ax dx. See, x is multiplied by constant. That one we are taking 1 by a. Integration of cos is what? Sine ax plus c. Or else we can write sin ax by a plus c. Next third one, integration of tan ax dx. Means again it is multiplied by a. Tan is log modulus of sec ax plus c. Next fourth one, integration of cot ax dx. 1 by a. Cot is log sin ax plus fifth one, integration of sec x sec ax cosec ax dx. We know the formula sec x tan x is sec x, but here that angle is multiplied by a same, therefore we can write 1 by a sec ax plus b. Okay. Next, integration of cosec ax cot ax dx. The formula is integration of cosec ax cosec 1 by a cosec ax cot x is minus 1 cosec ax plus the formula. Please thorough all the formulas, then only we can do the example. Next, integration of e to the power ax dx. 1 by is constant and we know that integration of e to the power x is e to the power x. Therefore, we can write it is e to the power ax plus. Okay. Next, another formula. Integration of secant square ax dx is again angle is multiplied by constant a, therefore 1 by a. Secant square integration is tan x plus. Next, integration of cosec square ax dx. Again multiplied by 1 by a cosec square is minus cot ax plus c. Okay, these are the formulas, and also we know that differentiation of d by dx of sin inverse x. What is the formula of differentiation of sin inverse x? That is 1 by root of 1 minus x square, correct? d by dx of sin inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Already we calculated. Okay. Apply based on integration differentiation get cancelled. We will get sin inverse x is integration of 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx. Means we can write the formulas in the form of reverse form, that is integration of 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx is what? Sin inverse x. If you know the differentiation only we can do the integration. That's why please remember the formulas. Please take all the formulas in your chart. Next, integration of minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx. This is cos inverse x. Please go through the chart. Minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square is cos inverse x. Next, integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx is tan inverse x. Because you know that differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Next, minus 1 by 1 plus x square dx is what? Cot inverse x plus. Please add all the formulas in your chart and daily practice it. Next, integration of 1 by x root of x square minus 1 dx is sec inverse x plus c. Next, minus 1 by x root of x square minus 1 dx is cosec inverse x plus c. See, the differentiation, the reverse form will get the integration. Okay, these are the formulas. Next, I will take the example based on that. Integrate the following. Integrate the following with respect to x. Okay. First example is integration of 6x plus 1 to the power 5 dx. Already we have done. Please go through that. Integration of ax plus b to the power n dx is ax plus b to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. And just concentrate here. Whatever x is multiplied by some constant, that constant is always be multiplied. And this is what's good if and only the power of x is linear. Okay. By knowing that concept, we can write this one as in the form of, just concentrate, where x is linear, of course. Okay, x is linear, therefore we can apply this form. And x is multiplied by constant, that constant is 6, therefore we are multiplying 12, divided 1 by 6. And this formula we are applying the same, we will get it is 6x plus 1 to the power 5 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 plus, or else we can write 6x plus 1 by 6, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 into 6, 36 plus c. Okay, we can do it directly. This is the one method how apply the formula. Okay, another method is also there, with that method also. This is function of function. We can't do integration directly. Therefore, we can apply 6x plus 1 is t. Okay. Then do the differentiation. Differentiate x with respect to t. We will get 6. X differential is dx. Constant is 0. And we will get it is dt. Dx is dt by 6. Okay. Then we can write it is integration of 6x plus 1, what it is t, means we can write t to the power 5 dx dt by 6, means 1 by 6 integration of t to the power 5 dt, 1 by 6 t to the power 5, t to the power 5 or t to the x to the power n, integration is what? X to the power n plus 1, therefore we can write this t to the power 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 plus 6. Or else t. Please remember that if answer is in the form of x, therefore always we are writing in the form of x form. Ax plus b t. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 into 6 we will get it is 36 plus 6. This is another method by using the method of substitution. Any one method you can apply and calculate. Okay. Next example is integration of 1 by 1 minus 8x dx. See, this one we can write. The two methods also I will give. Put 1 minus 8x is t because we don't have the integration is in the denominator. Therefore, we have to substitute. Then do the differentiation x with respect to t. One differential is 0 minus 8. X differential is dx. We will get dt or dx is dt by minus 8. Okay. Then we will get this integration of 1 by t dt by minus 8 or minus 1 by 8 integration of 1 by t dt. And we know that integration of 1 by x dx, we have the formula log x. Therefore, we can apply this minus 1 by 8 log of modulus of x mod t plus c or minus 1 by 8 log of t. What is your t? 1 minus 8x plus c. Okay. See, log always we are taking modulus because the value of log is always positive. This is the how we can calculate by using the method of substitution. Or else another form. Just concentrate. I will tell you 1 by 1 minus 8x dx is there. Correct. The power of x is linear. Just concentrate. Power of x is linear. Means power of x is 1. And that x is multiplied by constant, that one we are taking minus 1 by 8 like this, dividing, and this is in the form of 1 by t. 1 by t integration is log t, log of modulus of 1 minus 8x plus c. By CET it is useful, do directly. If it is 2 marks, use method of substitution. Okay. Next example is integration of 1 by root of 4 minus 3x dx. Integration of root of 1 by root of 4 minus 3x dx. Okay. See what we are doing here. Put 4 minus 3x is t. 4 differentiate x with respect to t. 4 constant 0 minus 3 x differential is 2x dt dx is dt by minus 3. Correct. Therefore, we can write this one as integration of 1 by t dt by minus 3. And we know that integration of 1 by root t already explained 2 root t by minus 3 plus 3. 2 root t we have to substitute 4 minus 3x by 3 plus this is how we can calculate. Or another method or another one 1 by root of 4 minus 3x dx. Correct. Power of x is linear. Please concentrate. This method we can do if and only if the power of x is linear. Power of x is linear and it is multiplied by constant. That one we are taking division minus 1 by 3 and except it is in the form of 1 by root t. 1 by root t integration is 2 root t. 2 t is what 4 minus 3x plus c. This is how we can do it directly. Okay. Any one method you can apply. Next example integration of sin square x, integration of sin square x dx. See, we have the formula 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x, means 1 plus cos 2x by 2, 1 plus cos 2x by 2 is what? Cos square x. And another one formula in trigonometry, please recall 1 minus cos 2x, 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x, means we will get it is 1 minus cos 2x by 2, we get it is sin square x. Therefore, we don't have the integration of sin square x, therefore we are apply the formula of this one, integration of sin square x, we can write 1 minus cos 2x by 2 dx, which we can write it is 1 by 2, better I will take outside 1 by 2 constant, 1 minus cos 2x dx, correct, and we can write this one as 1 by 2 integration of 1 dx minus integration of cos 2x dx, 1 by 2 integration of 1 is x minus, and integration of cos is sin 2x. Just concentrate, x is multiplied by constant, and just now I given the formula, if x is multiplied by that constant, that one always we are taking in the denominator, plus therefore we can write x by 2 minus sin 2x by 4 plus this is how we can calculate the given example. Next one, integration of cos square x dx. That one I will give homework. Cos square x formula is what? 1 plus cos 2x by 2 dx. Apply and simplify. Okay. Next I will take tan square x. Tan square x. Integration of tan square x dx. See, we don't have a formula, but 1 plus tan square x formula is there. 1 plus tan square x is secant square x. Means tan square x formula is what? Secant square x minus 1. We are applying here. We get this secant square x minus 1 dx. And we have the integration of secant square x. Better you do the integration. Integration of secant square x dx minus integration of 1 dx. Integration of secant square x is tan x. 1 is x plus. This is how we can calculate. Similarly, I give homework for cos square x, and I will give the formula also. Cos square x can be written as cos x square x minus 1. Okay. Next. Next I will do sin cube x. Integration of sin cube x. Integration of sin cube x dx. Okay. For that, just concentrate. I will give the formula. Exactly, we don't know the formula. To calculation of that formula, we will apply. We have the formula sin 3x is what? 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Minus 4 sin cube x, take left hand side, we get 4 sin cube x is 3 sin x minus sin 3x. Correct. Means sin cube x, the formula is what? 3 sin x minus sin 3x divided by 4. Therefore, that's why I mentioned repeatedly so many times. If you know the trigonometry and differentiation, we can do the integration. All that trigonometry formula we are using for solving the examples of integration. Similarly, we have the formula cos 3x. Cos 3x is what? 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Correct? Cos 3x plus minus 3, take this side, you get plus 3 cos x is 4 cos cube x. Okay. Then 1 by 4 cos 3x plus 3 cos x is cos cube x. Suppose if they mentioned calculation of cos cube x, you apply this formula. Okay. But here mentioned sin cube x, that sin cube we can add this one as 1 by 4 integration of 3 sin x minus sin 3x dx. Okay, 1 by 4 will do integration. See, 3 constant take outside, sin x dx minus integration of sin 3x dx. Okay, 1 by 4, 3 as it is. Integration of sin x is minus cos x. Okay, minus integration of sin. What is the integration of sin? Minus cos 3x divided by 3 plus c. Why we are taking? Just now I explained, if the angle is multiplied by some constant, that constant we are taking what? In the denominator. We given the formula also. Therefore we can write minus 3 by 4 cos x, minus it minus become plus 4 into 3, 12. Cos 3x by 12 plus. Similarly, do another one more, that is sin cube, cos cube x. Use this formula and simplify the cos cube x. Okay. These are the examples for 3 marks question. Next I will take tan cube x. Integration of tan cube x dx. This one we don't have the formula like that. Okay. Therefore we have to apply here. Of course is there, but it is in the form of denominator, numerator, little bit complication. That's why we are taking this one as a very simple cos, that is tan square x into tan x dx. And we have the formula integration of tan square x is secant square x minus 1 into tan x dx. Because we have the formula tan square x is secant square x minus 1 and multiply. We take this integration of secant square x into tan x dx minus integration of 1 dx. Okay, this one we call it as first integral. Correct. See, differentiation of tan x is what? T. So, differentiation of tan x is what? Secant square x. Understood or? No. Put tan x equal to t. We will take put tan x equal to t in the first integral. Okay. Do the differentiation. Differentiate x with respect to t. Tan differential is what? Secant square x dx. dt. dx is dt by secant square x. Therefore, we can write this one as secant square x. Tan x, what we consider? t. dx is what? dt by secant square x. Minus integration of 1 is x. Or else you can write directly x1 as it is. Did you understand? Please listen here. If the whatever, if you substitute tan x or whatever, anything if you substitute, first step is verify his differentiation value exists or not, and that one exists in the denominator or not. See, tan differential is what? Secant square, that one exists in the denominator. seconds per x is get cancelled. In that method, we have to use the substitution. We get integration of t dt, integration of 1 dx. T is t square by 2, 1 is x plus c. But we have to replace t as in terms of x because the example is in terms of x. Therefore, we get this t. Integration of t is what? T square. This will get this tan square x by 2 minus x plus this is the answer. Okay. Next I will give the examples. Please try to solve that example now. Integration of cube x dx. Integration of sec cube x dx. Okay. Integration of sin to the power 4x dx. Okay. The same formula we have to apply and simplify. Okay. Thank you.